Welcome to the Netequette Next. Here we go again with another amazing video, which is today we are going to download the Lightshot and take a lot of screenshots, and it can make our work easier. We don't have to remember anything on our own. We can capture the screenshots however we want. I'm gonna search here the Lightshot. Here we go, it appeared here. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna download it for the Windows, not for the Mac but for the Windows. Here it's being downloaded. I have double clicked that, so I'm gonna cancel this one, and this one is being downloaded and show in the folder. Now it is being showed. I'm gonna go with yes, and then select the language, that is English, and yes, I accept the agreement, and next. It is installed. Here we go, and yes, finish. So I'm going to show you how it works. This is the light screenshot. There are two ways to use it. I have right clicked the left one, and now I can take screenshot by simply taking the light and light shot with the left click. I'm gonna cross it and show you how we can use it either the other way. We are signed in, we can take screenshot, and here we go with the options. In general options, we have automatically copy a link after uploading, show notifications about copying and saving, keep the select area position, capture a cursor on the screenshot. Here we have hotkeys, general hotkey, Shift+1. I have entered it and I'm gonna show you how it works. Shift+1, and now it is ready to take a screenshot of the area I want. From this point on, this is the pen. We can use it to highlight or mention anything. From this point we can draw a line, and from this point we can draw an arrow and can connect two things. This point we can highlight anything, and this is the marker. We can draw a lot of things. Here we can enter our desired text. For example, I'm gonna write check this out. Here it is. Here we can change the color however we want, and now you can see it has changed the color. This is the button. We can undo our things I have done, and now I am undoing that. From this point we can cross the light shot. From this point we can save our screenshot, and from this point we can copy our screenshot. Here is the printer. We can print our screenshot. We can go for the similar images and searches on Google. From this point we can share it on a lot of social media networks and platforms. From this point we can upload to printscreen.com. Here I'm gonna cross it and show you the light screenshots, other options as well. We were on the hotkeys, and we can take instant save of the full screen. That is the key, Ctrl+Shift+1. I'm gonna go with Ctrl+Shift+1, and screen as when we will be clicking Ctrl+Shift+1. Here we go, and the next one is instant upload of the full screen. That is Ctrl+Print and Scanner, and okay, we are going to Shift Ctrl+Shift+1, and the screenshot will be taken. Here we go, the options, and we already have discussed general and hotkeys and formats, that is PNG and JPEG quality 90, that is okay, that is the format. We can change that however we want to our liking. And here we have proxy and no proxy, use the system proxy setting. That's probably alright. So here we go again on the Lightshot. Here is about the Lightshot. Its current version is 5.5.0.4, and we can it was developed in 2019, and now the current version was developed in the 2023, and it is skill brain alright reserved. It is the app we can use to take screenshots. Here we go, we can seek help, and we can exit the light screenshot. It was for today. This is actually really amazing and really informative. That was for today. In the next video we will be back soon with another amazing thing. So please keep like, watch, share and subscribe our channel, and be blessed. Thank you.